the much-anticipated Nothing Phone 3, a cutting-edge device that has been in development and fine-tuning for almost 2 whole years, is finally gearing up for its official launch. Just as the excitement surrounding this flagship smartphone was reaching unprecedented levels, a significant leak has now taken the internet by storm. And this time, it comes directly from Carl Pei himself, the co-founder of Nothing. He has disclosed the expected price range for this eagerly awaited device, adding even more buzz and speculation among tech enthusiasts worldwide. Now, let's dive into the highlights from the recent Android show I/O edition. During this exciting event, Carl Pei, the CEO of Nothing, made a surprise appearance that instantly captured everyone's attentions and sparked a lot of conversations across the tech community. He officially confirmed that the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 will mark a significant milestone for the company as their very first true flagship smartphone. This new device is set to boast premium build materials, bringing a more luxurious and high-end feel compared to its predecessors. Additionally, the Phone 3 will deliver substantial performance improvements, ensuring faster processing speeds and smoother overall user experience. On top of the hardware advancements, the software will also receive a major upgrade, introducing innovative features that will elevate the device to a whole new level in terms of usability and functionality. The much-anticipated Nothing Phone 3 is scheduled to launch this summer, and the company is fully committed to going all in with this release, combining top-tier materials, significant enhancements in performance, and software enhancements that truly push the boundaries of what a smartphone can offer. This launch represents Nothing's first genuine flagship effort, showcasing their ambition to compete at the highest level in the smartphone market. Then arrived the much-anticipated moment everyone had been waiting for. Carl announced that the upcoming phone is projected to have a price tag of approximately £800, which converts to roughly $1,640. This represents a significant increase in cost, especially considering that the brand has historically been known for offering phones in the mid-range price category. To put things into perspective, the Nothing Phone 2, which was previously promoted as a flagship device, was priced at $600. Given this context, it's only natural that expectations from consumers and fans alike have now soared to new heights. And since you've tuned in a bit earlier than most, here's a helpful hint regarding the price. It's expected to land right around the £800 mark. At this price point, it's very likely that we will see a triple camera setup featured on the device, providing versatile photography options for users. The display is expected to be a sophisticated LTPO panel, which allows for better power efficiency and smoother refresh rates. This device will face strong competition from other flagship smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S25, Google Pixel 9, and Apple's iPhone 16, all of which fall within the same price range. Because of this, the manufacturer won't necessarily need to break new ground or push extreme innovations just to justify this cost. Regarding the internal hardware, the device should be equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is currently one of the top-performing processors available. It should also offer up to 24 GB of RAM to handle multitasking effortlessly and support ultra-fast charging at 120 watts to minimize downtime. What are your thoughts on these specs and the overall pricing? We love to hear your opinions. Please share your insights in the comments section below. The Nothing Phone 3 is anticipated to retain its iconic transparent back design, a distinctive feature that has become a hallmark of the brand. Alongside this, the phone will continue to feature the unique glyph interface, which cleverly uses LED lights to notify users about incoming calls, messages, and various other notifications. In a visually appealing way, this particular feature not only enhances user experience, but also helps the phone stand out in a crowded market. And it appears that the company is committed to keeping this innovative design element intact for the new model. On the front side, leaks and rumors indicate that the Nothing Phone 3 will be equipped with a large 6.7-inch AMOLED LTPO display. This screen is expected to support a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, making all interactions, such as scrolling through apps or browsing the web, feel exceptionally fluid. Additionally, the display is rumored to reach a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits, which would ensure vibrant and clear visuals even under direct sunlight or in very bright environments. Altogether, these display specifications suggest that users can look forward to an immersive and visually striking experience, whether they are watching videos, playing games, or simply navigating their phone. Carl Pei originally said the Nothing Phone 3 would launch sometime in Q3 2025. That's between July and September. But lately, nothing's been dropping. So this comes September, we get to see Phone 3 again. Nothing's been dropping some mysterious emoji-filled posts on social media, making fans wonder if the release might actually come earlier than expected. Whether they stick to the plan or surprise us with an early debut, one thing's for sure. Excitement for the Nothing Phone 3 is building fast. Carl also teased us with a glimpse of the Nothing Phone 3, saying Phone 3 is coming this summer and we're going all in. Unfortunately, the phone was blurred out, keeping everyone guessing. The message is clear. Nothing is aiming big this time around. So, what do you think? Is the Nothing Phone 3 worth it? Would you buy one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.